My beloved child, listen to my voice. I see you. I know the burdens you carry, the silent battles you fight, and the questions that weigh heavy on your heart. But hear me now, you are not alone. I have been with you since the beginning, and I will be with you until the end. Like this video if you are blessed. When you feel weary, come to me, for I am your refuge. When you feel lost, turn to me, for I am your guide. The path ahead may seem uncertain, but I have already gone before you, clearing the way. Every step you take, I am walking beside you. Do not let fear control you. Do not let doubt steal your joy. I have placed a mighty purpose within you, one that no force in this world can take away. What I have spoken over your life will come to pass. My promises do not fail, and my love for you will never fade. There will be moments when the enemy whispers lies into your mind, telling you that you are not enough, that you will never overcome, that you are too broken to be used. But I tell you the truth. I have chosen you. I have called you by name, and nothing can separate you from my love. You do not have to fight this battle alone. Give me your worries, your pain, your regrets, and your fears. Lay them at my feet, and I will carry them for you. Trust me, for I am working all things for your good, even when you cannot see it. Rise up, my child. Stand in the strength I have given you. Speak life over yourself. Walk in the authority of my word. No weapon formed against you will prosper, and no storm will shake you when you are anchored in me. I am molding you, refining you, and preparing you for greater things. The struggles you face are not meant to break you, but to strengthen you. Do not be discouraged by the trials of today, for they are shaping you for the blessings of tomorrow. So hold on, keep believing, keep pressing forward. I have not forgotten you. I have not abandoned you. I am with you now and forevermore. You are loved, you are chosen, you are mine. Now walk in faith, for I am leading you to a life greater than you have ever imagined. Amen. Subscribe if you trust in God's plan. My child, you have heard my voice, you have felt my presence. But now I am calling you to action. Faith is not just believing. I need you to step forward in trust, even when you cannot see the whole picture. Do not wait until you feel ready, for I have already equipped you. Do not wait for the perfect moment, for the moment is now. I have placed gifts inside you, wisdom, courage, and a spirit of power, not fear. You are more capable than you think, because I am with you. When doubt creeps in, remind yourself, I serve a God who makes the impossible possible. When the enemy tries to weaken your faith, declare, greater is he who is in me than he who is in the world. The road ahead may not always be easy, but do not be discouraged. I have never called my children to a life of ease. I have called them to a life of victory. Battles will come, but you will overcome. Storms may rise, but they will not break you. I am strengthening your heart. I am sharpening your faith. Every challenge you face is an opportunity to grow, to rise, and to become who I created you to be. So keep moving forward. Keep trusting. Keep believing. You will see my hand at work in ways you never imagined. I am the God who parts seas, who moves mountains, who turns mourning into joy. And I am working in your life right now. Lift your head, my child. You are not forgotten. You are not forsaken. You are mine, and I will never let you go. Now go, walk in faith, speak my truth, and live boldly, for I have called you for such a time as this. My child, the world around you will shift. People will change. Circumstances will rise and fall. But I, the Lord your God, remain the same yesterday, today, and forever. Do not let the storms of life uproot your faith. Stay deeply planted in my word, for it is your foundation, your anchor, and your source of strength. When the winds of doubt try to shake you, hold fast to my promises. When fear whispers lies into your heart, drown them out with my truth. You are not meant to be swayed by the opinions of man. You are not called to fit into the patterns of this world. I have set you apart, chosen you, and marked you as my own. You belong to me. Let your heart be still in my presence. Find your peace in my arms. When you abide in me, you will bear fruit in every season, love, joy, peace, and strength that cannot be taken away. My child, stay rooted in me, and no storm will shake you, no trial will break you, no darkness will overtake you. For I am with you always, even to the end of the age. Type affirm. if you claim this declaration. My child, do not fear, for I am with you. I see your heart, my beloved. I see the burdens you carry, the questions that weigh on your mind, and the silent battles you fight when no one else is watching. But I, the Lord your God, say to you today, do not be afraid. You are not alone in your struggles. I have walked before you, preparing the way. I stand beside you, shielding you from harm. And I go behind you, covering you with my grace. When the road ahead seems uncertain, trust in me, for I am your guide. I will never leave you nor forsake you. When the enemy whispers lies, listen to my truth. He tells you that you are weak. I tell you that in me you are strong. He tells you that you are unworthy. I tell you that you are my precious child, redeemed and loved beyond measure. He tells you that you are alone. I tell you that my presence will never depart from you. My child, lift your eyes to me. I am your refuge and fortress, your safe place in times of trouble. The storms of life may rage, but you are secure in my hands. Nothing can snatch you away from me. Do not fear the unknown. I know the plans I have for you, plans to prosper you, to give you a future and a hope. Even when the path is unclear, walk by faith, not by sight. I will light your way, one step at a time. Do not fear the trials. I am refining you, shaping you, strengthening you. The fire will not consume you, it will purify you. The flood will not overwhelm you. I will lift you above the waters. Hold on to my promises, for they will never fail. Do not fear the opinions of others. You are called by my name, set apart for my purpose. Do not conform to the ways of this world, but be transformed by my Spirit. When you seek me first, everything else will fall into place. My child, be strong and courageous. Let my peace rule in your heart. Let my love cast out all fear. Walk in the confidence that I am for you, not against you. When you stumble, I will lift you up. When you feel weak, I will be your strength. When you are weary, come and rest in me. I am the Alpha and the Omega, the beginning and the end. My power has no limit, and my love for you has no end. Trust in me, and you will not be shaken. You are safe, you are loved, and you are never alone. Drop an amen if you're believing God today. My child, when you feel weary and your soul is burdened, come to me. I am your refuge, your ever-present help in times of trouble. Do not rely on your own strength, for it will fail you. But my strength is eternal, unshaken and unwavering. When the weight of the world feels too heavy, place it in my hands. I did not create you to carry these burdens alone. I am your shepherd, and I will lead you beside still waters. I will restore your soul and give you peace that surpasses all understanding. Lean on me. When you feel weak, I will be your strength. When you feel lost, I will be your guide. When you feel broken, I will be your healer. The battles you face are not yours to fight alone. I go before you, I stand beside you, and I guard you from behind. No weapon formed against you shall prosper, for I am your defender. Trust in me, even when you don't understand. My ways are higher than your ways, and my thoughts are higher than your thoughts. You may not see the full picture, but I am working all things together for your good. Do not fear the storms of life, for even the winds and the waves obey me. Fix your eyes on me, not on the world. The world will tell you to strive, to worry, to fear. But I say, be still and know that I am God. I will supply all your needs according to my riches in glory. Seek first my kingdom, and I will take care of the rest. Do not grow weary, my child. You may feel tired, but I will renew your strength. You will mount up with wings like eagles. You will run and not grow weary. You will walk and not faint. My grace is sufficient for you, and my power is made perfect in your weakness. Come to me, and I will give you rest. Let my peace fill your heart. Let my love surround you. Let my presence strengthen you. I am with you always, even to the end of the age. My child, I see the fear that grips your heart. I know the worries that keep you awake at night. But I am telling you, do not be afraid, for I am with you. You are not alone. I am the God who goes before you, who stands beside you, and who watches over you. When the storm rages and the winds howl around you, do not fear. I am the one who calms the sea. The same voice that spoke the universe into existence is speaking over your life. I am your protector, your refuge, and your stronghold. No harm will overtake you when you take shelter under my wings. I am your shield. When the enemy attacks, I will stand before you. When the darkness closes in, I will be your light. When you feel overwhelmed, I will lift you up with my mighty hand. Do not let fear control you. Fear is a liar. It tells you that you are alone, but I am always with you. It tells you that you are not strong enough, but my strength is made perfect in your weakness. It tells you that you will fail, but I have already given you victory. I have called you by name. You are mine. I formed you in your mother's womb. I know every detail of your life. Even before you speak, I know your thoughts. I have written your name in the palm of my hand. Nothing can snatch you from my grasp. You are precious in my sight, and I will never abandon you. The enemy whispers lies, but my truth remains. When the enemy tells you that you are not enough, remember, I am your sufficiency. When the enemy tells you that you will fail, remember, I have overcome the world. When the enemy tells you that no one cares, remember, I have loved you with an everlasting love. Trust in my promises, for they will never fail. I have promised to be your refuge. Run to me, and I will hold you close. I have promised to be your strength. Lean on me, and I will carry you. I have promised to be your peace. Fix your eyes on me, and your heart will be at rest. Do not be afraid, my child. The battle is mine. The victory is already won. Even in the fire I am with you. Even in the deep waters, I will not let you drown. When you walk through the valleys of life, you will not walk alone. I am the Alpha and the Omega, the beginning and the end. Nothing is beyond my control. Whatever you face, whatever comes your way, remember, I am with you always, even to the end of the age. Take heart, stand firm, do not be afraid. I am your God, and I will never leave you. Type Amen if you agree. Like this video if you believe in God. Subscribe this channel for more videos.